Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, shout out to you. I love you guys. Happy New Year. And today I'll be speaking on how to navigate into aesthetic medicine as a registered nurse. So, if you're a registered nurse here in Nigeria and you're looking to niche or specialize in aesthetic medicine, this video is for you. And if you have someone who would like to also navigate into aesthetics, this will also benefit them. I am a registered nurse, a cosmetic injector, and a licensed laser technician. So I would like to give like a background story of how I started my journey, how my journey started in aesthetic. Right. So aesthetic in Nigeria is quite new. It's not as other specialty like ICU nurse, renal nurse, psychiatry nurse, and the likes, right? So it's quite fairly new. Yes. So I started practicing aesthetic medicine since late 2019, let's say 2019, 2020, right? And I never had any form of skill or experience. I just went in as a nurse. So they were looking for a nurse and I applied and I learned on the job. So one of the ways to get into aesthetic medicine is to go in and serve, is to go in and render a skill, and in rendering a skill you get to acquire knowledge, you get to acquire those aesthetic skills. That is one of the ways to get into aesthetic medicine. So if you are abroad, this also applies to you if you are in the States, if you are abroad anywhere in the world. So if you have finished your nursing program, you've gotten your license, you can actually go in, and if you see any aesthetic facility that you really like, you can shoot your shots, you can apply to serve, you know and if you're lucky and you get the job, you can learn on the job. Some employers will want you to sign a contract, maybe a 2 years contract, a 1 year contract, a 3 years contract to learn. I remember back then it was a 2 years contract, and I signed up for it because I was interested. I was curious. I was like, this part of medicine is quite new and I'm interested, right? So I went ahead and signed a 2 years contract, and I learned on the job, right? I got the skills and every other skills needed, and yeah, that's the first step. That's a great way to start, exploring, learning, and building your portfolio in aesthetic. Have institutions that offer aesthetic trainings, and the two popular one that I know that is globally recognized is the Canadian Board of Aesthetic Medicine and North American Board of Aesthetic Medicine. Other ones like Beauty Therapy Institute are basically for non-medics. However, if you're a medical person and you want to have a rich background in aesthetics, like you want to also learn stuff like um waxing, massage, facials, and cosmetic science, cosmetic you want to be a cosmetic scientist, you could do PTI, that's Beauty Therapy Institute. You could go to that institution, right? But as a nurse, you really do not have to go through PTI because their curriculum is not as upgraded and rich and medical grade like the Canadian Board of Aesthetic Medicine and North American Board of Aesthetic Medicine. The last but not the least in ways to get into aesthetic medicine as a registered nurse or a medical person is to volunteer. So there is something about serving others. It's not a waste of your time. It's not a waste of your. I remember some years back there was this person guru, in aesthetics that I so much admire, and I look up to him. Some of you will know him, right? So I remember messaging him at some point when I was really, 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 really in need of a set. I wanted to know, there was a skill I was looking for. There was something I was looking for, right? So I messaged him and I said, I don't mind, um s- working for you without pay. I don't mind. I want to volunteer. So volunteering is one of the ways to, gain experience, gain knowledge, know the technical know-how of how to, you know, begin your aesthetic journey. It is not a waste of your time. However, you can volunteer and still have like other jobs you're doing so that you can survive, right? Yeah. So um I ended up doing these courses, for free, because of that relationship and all of that. So volunteering is a gateway, is a key. Volunteering is one of those ways to get started in aesthetic medicine. Okay, so I'm sure there are some people that are non-medical and they want to begin aesthetic, they want to go into aesthetics. So there's a limit to what you can do if you are not a medical person. That's just the truth. However, you can still do aesthetics and not be a medical person. So I have someone that I'm currently coaching into that. She's a spa therapist and is much interested in, upgrading her skill. Yes, it's not to breach the gap, not to go beyond her limit, but of course to get the knowledge that she's supposed to get within the framework of what is obtainable, you know. So if you're in that category, you want me to coach you, you want me to put you through on how to, start aesthetics as a non-medics, please reach out to me. You can reach out to me on my Instagram at nosbetty001. Yeah, thank you. I would like to see your comments, share and like. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye. I love you all.